Okay, so we got Lombardo chili. So, and it is how hot? Not hot, but
500 to 2000.
on the Scoville scale. So, nah, this is gonna be easy.
Yeah. It's really good and sweet.
That's delicious.
Mm.
Not hot.
It's
But
like a normal red.
it's like a bell pepper
Right.
with a, well, no, it doesn't taste like bell pepper, but I mean, you know what I mean, like, yeah. And then, but with a very tiny bite to it, I guess. And that's about it. It's good though, just, if you want to have a little flavor, then it's very flavorful. So, there's that. Yeah, it's sweet. It is sweet for sure.
Mm.
Just a lot of yummy flavor goodness in there.
I ate the top of the chili and I could feel the baby amount of spice. It's extremely slight
Yeah.
since it's 500 to 2000.
So if you want that good chili flavor that can work for just about any kind of food, really yummy, but you can't handle too much heat, this is perfect for you. Again, it's Lombardo.
Mm.